Hi everyone, I'm Jeje and welcome you or welcome back to Be Colorful to create together the Gatefold card number 6 using the Tonic Craft Kit 55. A kit designed to create boxes, but which, as we have already seen, we can use to create a beautiful card. I'll be using the intricate rectangle die from the kit again, this time adding color and shine with the shimmer powder also included in the kit. So let's get started right away. As usual, let's start creating the card base. For the base of this Gatefold card, I cut out a 3¼ by 5 and 5/16 inches rectangle, which I adapt to the flaps I gonna make from these dies included in the kit. I cut out the excesses, leaving only some tabs that I'll need to attach the flaps to the base. For now, let's put the card base aside and make our background with the shimmer powder from the kit. This product consists of a powder composed of various colored pigments. In this case, green, light blue, yellow and dark pink. This kind of powders includes also some mica. That is a very thin glitter that will create a truly shiny effect. As you can see, the pigments are activated with water. More water you apply, more the color pigment will mix with each other. The first layer I do is very soft and light, just to create a base. Then, well, there are no rules. This is a random technique, so I can only tell you to follow your heart. You can apply the shimmer powders in two ways. First, put the powder and then spraying the water, as I did before, or as I'm doing now, first the water and then the powder. The result is pretty much the same, I think. Continue until you feel satisfied, but keep in mind that, as I said earlier, you will not be able to control the color and the water, but that's the beauty of this kind of product. In fact, we will get a beautiful abstract background and very shiny. From this panel, I'm gonna make two rectangle panels using this die of the kit. This will be the background for the intricate die cut. I already created these panels, obtained with these two dies included in the kit. I made them when I made the first card of this series. I just have to remove the little bits and pieces. You will find all the links of the previous videos below in the description box. Okay, now I glue the intricate panels to the bases made with the shimmer powder. Then I assemble the Gatefold card. I just have to create the belly band. Initially, I thought about making a paper belly band with a central strip of iridescent paper, but you will see that I'll change my mind. To decorate the band, I decided to create a particular decoration using the central part of this die cut, which I really like. So I separate this part. Don't throw away the petals of the central flower, because we need them later on. As you can see, one way to make the most of your dies is also to change their shape and create a new element. Next, I'm gonna prepare the background for this decoration, always using the shimmer powder, but leaving it a little more subtle than the panels I made for the card base. I glue the intricate decoration onto this background and I cut out the excesses. Here we go! But I want to make it a little more refined than the panels of the card base. Do you remember that a little while ago I told you don't throw away the petals of the central flower? Well, because now I'm going to color them with two glitter markers, one dark pink and one light pink. With the paper piecing technique, I glue the petals in the spaces of the die cut, like a puzzle. And here we have created a delicate color detail. We just have to glue our little decoration on the band, and that's where I changed my mind. I don't know why. Creative process. I will opt for a clear band. Making the gatefold card for this kit, I found that the clear bands are just gorgeous. In addition, however, I want to try embossing on the acetate with the intricate rectangle die. Let's see what comes out. As in the last video, I'm going to follow the instruction of my Physics Big Shot to do the embossing with the dies. The sandwich includes a normal cutting plate, die facing up, paper, acetate in this case, rubber mat or silicone mat, and impression pad. The base platform must be opened at base number 1, the pink one. Of course, you will have to follow the instructions of your die cutter machine. And here we go. Definitely it worked. I got a fantastic effect, both visual and to the touch. I cut out the excesses and I wrap the acetate strip on the gatefold card without tightening too much and centering the embossed design well. I glue the ends with double-sided tape adhesive. Finally, I glue the small decoration, thus ending this magical gatefold card. That's all for today, and I hope you liked this card and the techniques I proposed to you. Thanks for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you for the 7th and final Gatefold card. See you soon, bye bye, and be colorful!